This is the WOCON 6-liter wax melter, perfect for candle making. The wax melter comes with a variety of accessories: the wooden spoon, instruction manual, a certificate, a stainless steel jug. Here we have a detachable spigot, which is a patented design. It's very easy to remove and to clean and not easy to block. The wax melter is very easy to use. Just pour the wax, start the device, adjust the temperature, and you're ready to go. The wax melter has a professional built-in thermometer which can read the temperature at any time, no need to purchase additional thermometer. As you can see, the wax is melting in about 16 to 20 minutes. The spigot makes very easy to use. The spigot is very easy to clean. A cup of water is enough to clean it. Or you can warm up the water inside the wax bucket and rinse it. Easy to clean, just a wipe. With the WOCON, you can experience the joy of candle making.